One thing recruiters know that you don't remember that they know is the wedge issue that brought you to them. I'm Jeff Altman, the Big Game Hunter. People hire me for no BS job search advice and coaching globally because I help the process move along so much easier for you. Now, what's the wedge issue? The wedge issue is, why are you looking for a job? And your answer. And what happens is, along the way, they start repeating it to you as a reminder as to why you should want to leave your wife, leave your husband, because that's really what we're talking about. You've been married to this organization for whatever amount of time it is, and you've fallen out of love. And they've got the new suitor that's going to help make everything wonderful for you. Now, I'm not saying you should stay, but certainly at the time of the counteroffer, if you're to get one, they drive that wedge issue home repeatedly. I know I did when I did recruiting, and yes, it's the right thing to do. And on your side, you have to weigh the pros and the cons of remaining. After all, a firm may lie to you to get you to stay. They may tell you the truth to get you to stay. They may change what's been going on for you that's prompted you to want to leave, and maybe staying is the right thing to do. So one thing recruiters know is how to drive that wedge home so that you really feel guilty about leaving. You really don't want to stay. You want to go. And that helps the next organization, helps them fill a position, create a vacancy where you are, that maybe they can fill. Hope you found this helpful. I'm Jeff Altman. Visit my website, thebiggamehunter.us. There's a ton in the blog that can help you. Plus, you can schedule time for a free introductory call, ask me questions through trusted advisor services, find out about my video courses, books, and guides. Again, there's a lot there that will help you. Also, connect with me on LinkedIn at linkedin.com/IN/the Big Game Hunter. Have a terrific day and be great.